The contract terms page is where you can upload your contract to be included in your finalized proposal. When you create a details account, you gain access to our 16 preloaded contract terms, which you can use as is or tailor to meet your business needs. These terms cover common clauses for event contracts, but we recommend consulting with a local attorney to ensure they comply with state and local laws, as they may vary. To view the details of each clause, click the arrow next to the clause name to expand it. You can then edit the text to align with your business needs by selecting the box. The left side of each clause displays the order in which it will appear on your proposal. This allows you to customize and arrange the contract terms as needed in your events. To adjust the order of your clauses, click the field next to the clause name, type the desired number for its position, and press enter. This helps you arrange your contract terms in the order you prefer. If you no longer need a specific clause, click the X next to it to remove it. Each clause includes personalization tokens, allowing you to automatically fill in the client-specific details like their name without updating each contract manually. To see all available tokens, click the Personalize button in the top right-hand corner. This will direct you to the Support Center article with a complete list of tokens and instructions on using them effectively for customizations.